Say, go.
Go.
Hi.
Hi, Mad.
Say,
Be my Valentine.
hey, my Valentine, Mad. So can't wait to see you.
You.
Say, I talk about you all the time.
All the time.
Yeah, what do you say? You say, Mad. Come here, Mad.
I'm mad about Helmet Heroes.
Very well here.
Yeah, you played Helmet Heroes together, huh? We've been talking about it ever since. Say, see you soon. When you live in, where's Mad gonna live? Say, Miss Clara.
Quincy.
Quincy! See you when you're in Quincy. Say bye, y'all. And Mad's brother, too. We have to say hi to Mad's brother.
Say hi,
of course.
Hi, Finn.
Finn's gonna get big and play with trains soon, too.
Hi, Pete. Hi, Holly.
Can you say hi to Mad's mom and daddy?
Hi, Mom and Daddy.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Say, be my Valentine. Bye.